Today we're looking at the blue cabletie tensioning tool, a professional 2-in-1 device made from high-carbon steel with an anti-oxidation coating. The tool handles nylon cable ties from 2.4 to 9 mm wide, and combines two functions in one: tensioning and automatic cutting. No extra tools needed. Wrap a plastic cable tie around the pole and thread the loose end through the locking head. Make sure the tie is seated correctly before moving on. Squeeze the tensioning lever and keep applying pressure until you feel solid resistance. That means the tie is properly tightened. Now activate the cutting mechanism. In one clean motion, the tool automatically cuts off the excess tail flush with the tie head. And here's the finished result: a tight, clean, professional cable tie installation.